Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny in-One 24 Gen 4. Genius upgrade or corporate trap? Honest review. Feeling boxed in by your outdated workspace? Does your current setup leave you frustrated, flipping between monitors, wasting precious time adjusting tangled cables or chasing system crashes? You're not alone. Countless professionals feel stuck every day: clunky monitors, unreliable hardware, and boring conference calls that fail before they even start. You wake up wanting productivity but hit a wall of distractions. Focus? Gone. Motivation? A myth. And let's be honest, working on gear that belongs in a museum isn't just slowing you down, it's draining your sanity. If your desk's chaos is silently sabotaging your day, it's time to face the truth. Now imagine this: looming deadlines, impatient clients, glitchy video calls, constant file lags, and your system freezes again. That creeping dread? Real. Missed deliverables. Blown meetings. Burnout breathing down your neck. Every day spent battling clunky tech is a missed opportunity to shine. You wonder if modern work life is just constant stress, or if your setup's the real enemy. How many wasted hours will it take before you admit your old hardware's ruining your work momentum? The risk of doing nothing? More lost time, blown projects, and shattered confidence. The frustration isn't ending, it's escalating. Meet the Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny in-One 24 Gen 4, your desk's new secret weapon. This isn't just another monitor. It's a modular, enterprise-ready powerhouse merging a stunning 24-inch Full HD IPS display, seamless tiny PC integration, and pro-grade collaboration features. With its borderless design, adjustable stand, and ultra-clear 1080p webcam, this unit doesn't just upgrade your workflow, it transforms it. Imagine plugging in your tiny PC in seconds, no tools, no IT guy required. From vibrant video calls to ultra-smooth multitasking, this is the game-changing business display that brings effortless clarity and order to your chaotic desk. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to streamlined productivity. The ThinkCentre Tiny in-One 24 Gen 4 simplifies your workspace with ergonomic adjustments, anti-glare brilliance, and crystal-clear audio from integrated speakers. Enjoy tilt, swivel, and pivot flexibility for all-day comfort, while its next-gen heat dissipation keeps things running cool. Its modularity means you upgrade when you choose, saving money without sacrificing performance. Whether you're working solo or in fast-paced meetings, every pixel and soundbite works harder for you. Ready to ditch the chaos? Dive deeper into specs and real-world demos below. Your future self will thank you. Thousands of businesses are switching to Lenovo's Tiny in-One 24 Gen 4, and stock won't last forever. Why? Because wasting time and energy is no longer an option. Ready to join the productivity elite? Don't wait. Secure your Lenovo Tiny in-One 24 Gen 4 today, before your next project hits a brick wall. Limited availability. Act now and experience the clarity and simplicity top professionals rely on every day. Join those who've already unlocked next-level performance. Click the link. Invest in your success. Upgrade your desk. Your clients, your colleagues, and your future self will thank you.